Hello there. I found something interesting on Twitter, did a bit of digging, and now I bring you this video. It might be very relevant to you depending how you feel about the way that the last pandemic was handled. So this is something that I've seen a lot of people posting, and I actually verified it's true. The White House just posted this telling us to mask up. Will you comply? This is the video. Here I'll make it larger so that you can see. It says the time to heal and to rebuild. Time to unite. Time to trust, participate, achieve, improve. Basically everybody's masking up. Except Kamala Harris, he was the only one pictured without a mask. Yeah, no, these guys, sort of construction crew, also appeared without a mask. I guess she wasn't the only one. Anyway, so people are wondering whether there is any sort of connection between this video and the US policy until Trump gets into office. This is from the Gateway Pundit. Alert, mask mandates making a big return in 2025. Hospitals and health facilities in certain states are requiring or recommending that their employees, patients, and visitors wear face masks in this winter as the flu and RSV spread. The mandates have so far impacted hospitals in New York, New Jersey, and California to various extents, according to a report from Newsweek published last month. How do you feel about that? Do you think it's a good idea? I mean, I know that the evil, stupid, brainwashed bigots thought that mask maintenance didn't help in the first place, that they might even have been harmful, and that there was no authority for the states to force you to do it anyway. But of course, what do they know? Now, the outlet here noted that RWJ Barnabas Health, the largest hospital system in New Jersey, now has mask requirements or recommendations for their facilities. Masking is required for all patients who present with respiratory symptoms, plus all staff members and providers caring for them. In outpatient and medical group facilities, blah, 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 according to our list from the network. So basically, all healthcare professionals, and if you are a patient suffering from a respiratory disease, you also have to wear it. All visitors to the hospitals are asked to wear an appropriate face mask, which is strange because I suppose they are asked and not mandated. That's the difference. They're basically saying patients with respiratory symptoms and staff members need to wear the mask like they're mandated. All visitors are asked to wear an appropriate face mask. New York Health Commissioner James McDonald, meanwhile, announced in a statement that all healthcare personnel in the state who are not jabbed against the flu this season need to take extra precautions and wear a mask in healthcare facilities. Various health officials in California, especially surrounding the Bay Area, preemptively established new mask mandates through the entire winter as early as last fall. Apparently, I didn't even hear about it. These mandates in Alameda, Berkeley, Contra Costa, and Napa counties, for instance, require health workers to wear face masks in patient care areas. There's more hospitals in Illinois. Rush University Medical Center announced patients and visitors must wear hospital-grade masks in clinical offices, patient registration, waiting areas. So, yeah, you have certain attempts to have it so. I asked Grok about it, and basically it says that it's primarily within healthcare settings in California, Illinois, Indiana, New Jersey, New York, and Wisconsin. The Western Journal also saying mask mandates making a big return in 2025, using the same report from Newsweek as the basis, and basically telling us that not only are these mandates basically established already in some places, more hospitals in Illinois are reinstating them. a report from WMAQO, whatever, TV at the end of last month. Basically, we have a lot of people talking about it. This is from Newsweek. Sorry, this is from October 15th. So I guess this is a couple of months ago that they were talking about. And you can see that it was rather limited. After reading it, I went and checked because like I said, I didn't know about it beforehand. And so you can see that it's a relatively limited area, basically around California, that was reinstating them. Now, what does the incoming president, Donald Trump, think? I'm not sure, but I know what he used to think beforehand. This is from August 2023, so a while ago. But yeah, back then there was once again an attempt to reinstate the whole masking thing, and this is what he had to say.
But to every COVID tyrant who wants to take away our freedom, hear these words: we will not comply. So don't even think about it. We will not shut down our schools. We will not accept your lockdowns. We will not abide by your mask mandates. And we will not tolerate your vaccine mandates.
So, there you have it. This is what Trump thought about it back then. I presume that he probably thinks something similar right now. I know this is apparently a trend that have been trying for years to reinstate the mandate. We have evidence of them doing it in several different instances, and this may well just be another failed attempt. All the same, I think that in order for it to be another failed attempt, there would have to be public noticing, which is often illegal for people to do, noticing things that the regime doesn't enjoy you noticing. Supposedly you're just, going along with the flow and doing whatever you're told. But when we do the noticing, sometimes they try to punish the noticers, especially in places like Britain lately. But often enough, if we notice on a societal level, a lot of people do it at the same time, they back off temporarily. Then they'll try again later. So hopefully we can get them to back off until Trump gets back in, because there are a lot of crazy rumors about attempts to prevent or delay the sort of transfer of power. I'm not sure if any of them have any credence, but I'd rather not find out, if I'm being completely honest with you. I'd really like for things to just go well for once, at least on the world stage. Honestly, I am just now recovering from the sniffles, and I really don't have patience for another, lockdown, mask mandates, other mandates, or something that will turn out to be not particularly dangerous unless you are very old, and then, just you isolate yourself. Why does society have to isolate itself from you? Makes no sense. But also, the measures often... the evil, stupid, brainwashed bigots would say that they proved ineffective after the fact. Sometimes it's even allowed to be said, like a year or two later. So, I'd like to hear what you think about it. Are you worried? Do you think this is a nothing burger? Do you think that it's the right thing to do? I am so far not changed from my previous position on the issue. And I will act this time as I have last time we had the, mass jabbing and so on. And that was to say no. Thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.